Hello and welcome to a new video. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, some of the things I do is design cars and modeling and engineering in SolidWorks. I have a project car which does not really move very quickly, but I'm trying to make content on that. And yes, there are some other things that I'm trying to do. I did some reviews of some equipment and my Super Soco bike. So if any of that interests you, consider subscribing, and thank you for watching. Today a new video on the Mayco Friends. That is the electric concept car, kit car that I'm trying to develop and hopefully build not too far from here. Today I'm going to be talking about a new wheel design. Yeah, it's just a side project, and yeah, let's dive straight into it. So recently I have been working on one of my concept cars that I have designed in the past together, or basically for a couple of friends of mine, and it never really got amounted to anything and never really got it into 3D in a proper way. There were some things I wasn't happy about, and on a Saturday morning I just started to model the car, and it just clicked and I got the car ready. It is a retro model. It is an old or classic car that is inspired by, for example, the Gullwing and the E-Type and old Ferraris. And yeah, as you see the car, you understand it. And for that reason, I also wanted to design a specific wheel to go with the car. Generally, because of the budget, I want to go with Steelies, also because I think it looks good on classic cars. But for this car I wanted to have like the inspiration of a retro spoke wheel, like the E-Types used to have, for example. I do of course have the white wall tires, and I wanted to combine it with a three-piece wheel. And what I also like is to have if you have the three-piece wheel, you can have an 18-inch barrel, basically, for example, with an 18-inch spoke design. But you can also have an 18-inch wheel with a 17-inch spoke design. Then you have a bigger step in the lip, basically. And what some wheel designers do is that they use that bigger lip but make the spokes bigger. So you have an 18-inch rim with spokes that go all the way out to the edge, but an additional step so that the bolting pattern is actually a 17-inch wheel, for example. And yeah, that design is something I wanted to play a little bit with, and so in this episode I'm going to be designing a 3-piece wheel with a retro styling multi-spoke that is suitable for an older car, and yeah, has a little bit more modern technology in it, and so I hope you enjoy the design of this. Now here in the end I'm showing the end result of the wheel, of course, and also showing you a little bit of clip of the car that I mentioned in the beginning of the video. I will make a full video on this car, don't you worry. and I will show you yeah, what I got on it. And yeah, again, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe you got inspired by it. If you want to leave a comment, please do so. If you want to subscribe, do so. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.